last year we took our Japanese friend Ray camping for the first time, and luckily for us, he liked it so much he wants to go again. This time though, we're kicking things up a notch with a friendly barbecue competition, Japanese versus Australian. We found a beautiful free campsite in Yamanashi, but first we've got to complete phase 1 of the barbecue competition, ingredient shopping. So, what's Japanese style, right? What are you getting?
So I will show you guys Japanese style barbecue.
Okay.
And it's very strange, I just made up. Sakama.
Oh.
Aji.
Okay. We're gonna get some sausages?
Yeah, I think I can make some hot dogs out of this.
Okay.
Not hot dogs, sausage sandwich.
What did you get?
And asari.
Oh my.
Asari.
This is going quite Japanese, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. And ebi.
I'm excited.
And a big size.
Wow.
I'm excited.
Roy's just got, what have you got?
Roy-san.
Sausages. This is your favorite?
Yeah, plus all Japanese people like it because it's only 3%.
Oh, good for me too.
So
You're like
yowai. And there's so many kinds of
different kinds of flavors.
Yeah. So you can choose sour, orange, cream soda as well.
Nice.
Cream soda?
Cherry.
So with shopping finished, it was time to get barbecuing. The campsite we chose is about a 2.5-hour drive from Tokyo, at the foot of the Japanese Alps. We were honestly super amazed that such a beautiful spot is free, with no reservation required. The boys are going head to head in this barbecue challenge, so let's get them to introduce themselves.
I am the Australian chef, Roy Porter, and I will be cooking a sausage sizzle with onions, sausages, and bread. Oh, and of course tomato sauce. And it's going to blow your minds.
Hi, my name is Wayne from Konnichiwa, my dude. I'm a chef, by the way.
Okay. 頑張れ.
あ、頑張れ. Fire, 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 fire.
He's willing it into existence.
いいんじゃない? ほら.
Maybe.
ほら. ほら.
I'm pretty confident it's gonna go out straight away. He just lit the tissue on fire.
Mate, you gotta light the charcoal part.
Hey, I'm not that stupid. See? It's doing well. Oh, shit.
You can light the things that we bought at the store.
Ah,
The
gotcha.
things underneath.
いいんじゃない?
Yeah.
ね
Alright, you got it. With both fires finally lit, the boys were moving on to getting things prepped and the first ingredients in the pan. We had only just started, but Roy was already making some big claims.
The sausage sizzle is it's an ancient tradition passed down by thousands of years of Australians. So it will not be defeated today.
Roy, you have
hear that?
super strong Aussie accent now. Especially this scene.
Ray's fish are on the barbie. How do you feel, Ray?
Feels great. And I'm excited to put ebi. And I'm not really sure how to cook this one yet.
Okay.
Shall I boil it or shall I just put them on the top? I have no idea.
どうした?
え、早っ。もう結構焼けた。やべえ。This is awful.
あら?
Oh no.
うまくいってないの?
Oh
じゃあ
no.
もしかして俺の勝ち今日は.
Unfortunately, I already failed fish chunk, so let's get これ、エビ.
Wow.
Let's remove all legs.
What have we got over here?
Well, the sausages are cooking along with the onions. Oh, it's looking good, I tell you that. I tell you what, I'm going to put these Bunnings blokes to shame on this Japanese barbecue. The fish is getting exterminated over there. Look at Ray, he's over there playing with his ebi, right? And his fish is just getting absolutely charcoaled over here.
Stop talking, Roy.
Your fish, the fish!
セブン
魚さん、死なないで。 This thing cooks so fast because it's so hot right here.
The ebi looks good.
いい感じだね。
The fish, How do we feel about the fish?
I'm really sorry as a Japanese man and this.
They're not so bad.
I mean, because of this fire.
In fairness to Ray, the fire pit was a bit out of control. After a little more cooking, some of which didn't go so well, it was time to taste test Ray's Japanese-style barbecue.
It looks pretty good, to be honest.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay,最初ね、魚。Oh, it's got a really nice like barbecue flavor.
Oh, really?
Oh, a bone.
If you put salt,
Yeah,
much better.
with salt would be good, I think.
Definitely.
No, it's actually really delicious.
Oh no. Does that mean the Australian
really
barbecue
good.
might lose?
次はエビ。Oh, boy.
You're gonna have a hard time keeping up with this.
Oh no.
It's really good. Ma. The yakitori is good. However, ちょっと焦げた。
Bye.
Yay!
So, today's sausage sandwiches come with a Japanese twist, actually.
What's that?
Because Ray
Oyashi. Bean sprouts on a sausage
bean
sandwich.
sprouts on a sausage sandwich. It is absolutely going to be good.
じゃあ、
Oh,
あ、うまい。
it's cool. Roy style Australian barbecue. What are we thinking?
I win the game.
I mean, to be honest, I think I win the game.
But like, taste-wise, you get a 9.5 out of 10, right? Or effort-wise, maybe like a 6 out of 10. Because compared to Ray, he had to like cut the fish, take all the shell off the ebi.
So let's say I get gambarimashita stamp, right?
So there you have it. The boys were both winners in their own way. But I think we can agree that the real winner here is me. I did absolutely no cooking but got to eat all the food. Anyways, let us know in the comments which style barbecue you prefer. Now that the competition is over, it's time to relax and explore this beautiful campsite more.
Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance.
We're here. We go across a bridge.
I'm testing kanji skill.
Oh, how are you going?
I got the last 5, right?
Yeah.
And this part looks a little bit like tomahawk.
For someone like me, I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you. Most of all, that deserves you.
It's easy to say this has been one of our favorite free campsites and made all the more better by good times with friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.